HINO is the first Japanese truck manufacturer in Australia to offer Vehicle Stability Control, or VSC, as standard equipment to an entire range of trucks, installing the life-saving technology on all models of its new 300 series range. VSC is of particular advantage to the light-duty truck market because many are operated by fleet customers, rental organisations or by small businesses, where many of the drivers are novices with little or no experience driving a larger vehicle. This is where HINO's Vehicle Stability Control comes into play, adding an additional layer of active safety by combining the functions of existing anti-lock braking system or ABS with additional diagnostics hardware. The primary objective of VSC is to help the driver maintain control of the truck at all times. It's designed to detect whether the truck may be in or about to enter a dangerous situation, for example, a slide or a spin. It will then use a combination of engine power reduction and individual wheel braking to assist the vehicle to follow the driver's intended path. So how does VSC work? Firstly, the ABS is used to prevent the wheels from locking up and then skidding under heavy braking, helping the driver to steer the vehicle in the right direction. The next component of VSC is traction control, which is used to prevent unnecessary wheel spin by regulating exactly how much engine power is making its way to the wheels. If wheel spin is detected, the traction control is automatically employed, reducing power to the wheels until the friction or traction between the tyres and the road surface is re-established. VSC goes a step further, utilising the features of both the anti-lock braking and traction control systems, while also monitoring both the sideways direction the truck is moving in and the direction it should be moving in. This is done with the addition of an electronic yaw rate or G sensor located under the passenger seat of the 300 series, and another sensor which monitors which direction or angle the steering wheels are pointing in. VSC is controlled by a central electronic unit and is equipped with a hydraulic actuator which, when needed, can control the braking force of each individual wheel. The readings from all sensors linked to the VSC are taken more than 100 times each second. This means the electronics of the vehicle can detect and rectify a potentially dangerous situation in a fraction of the time it takes for the human brain to react. So what do drivers need to do when driving with VSC? VSC is activated each time the vehicle is started and is only deactivated when the driver presses the dash-mounted VSC off button. VSC should only be switched off for use at low speed on slippery off-road surfaces, for example where negotiating a muddy work site where the wheels need to be spun to clear the tread of mud in order to gain traction. VSC will default back to the on position each time the truck is turned off and restarted. Now let's take a look at some of the circumstances where VSC may activate. When entering a corner too quickly, including roundabouts, the natural tendency is for the truck's drive wheels to lose traction and then possibly slide out. The steering wheel sensor and G sensor read that the driver intends to turn right, but the ABS wheel sensors detect that the drive wheels are beginning to slide. This indicates the truck is negotiating the corner in a manner where the rear of the vehicle may be about to slide out sideways. Within milliseconds, the VSC control unit has initiated corrective action. The driver may feel a decrease in throttle response, a change in brake pedal pressure, and a slight jolt as the wheels are individually braked. The inclusion of VSC as a standard safety feature helps to make the all-new HINO 300 series the safest truck in its class. That's good news for drivers, operators, and everyone else on the road. If you'd like more information on the VSC-equipped HINO 300 series or would like to arrange a drive, visit hino.com.au or call 1300 014 466. HINO, a better class of truck.